guys, to start, I always insert a toothpick into my strawberry. This makes it so easy to dip. So here I'm just pulling back the leaves to ensure that it doesn't interfere when dipping the strawberry into the chocolate. So for my first set of strawberries, I'm just going to do a tie-dye effect. Basically, you're going to use two pastel or two light colors, and you're going to drizzle one into the other. When you're happy with the amount of chocolate on your strawberry, you can lightly shake the strawberry so that the excess chocolate can drizzle on the bottom. For an extra step, I usually wipe the strawberry against the edge of the bowl to make sure that most of the chocolate at the bottom is not dripping. Okay, so I'm just going to put you guys on to my secrets for making perfect strawberries. Instead of just putting it directly on the parchment paper, I'm sliding it forward so that the chocolate that's at the bottom doesn't bunch up at the front. Before the chocolate dries completely, I'm just going to add some edible flakes here, and in the next clip you're going to see me adding some edible gold leaf. So for my next set of strawberries, I'm going to do a marble design. I created a marble with a light pink and a dark pink chocolate. And then I'm going to swirl my strawberry in the chocolate. And then as you can see, it will create a marble effect. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do my glitter berries. You're going to use a slightly thicker chocolate for your strawberries. This is to ensure that the chocolate dries a little faster as you're sprinkling on your glitter. So here I'm just showing you how I dip it. Unfortunately, I was out of frame, so I'm going to show you on the next strawberry how I pour on the glitter. So I was a bit out of frame in this one too, but you can actually see me pouring on the glitter. So you're just going to take your edible glitter, shake it on, and then shake off the excess. And then you just put your strawberry on the parchment paper and allow it to dry. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I do my speckled pattern. I'm going to take an edible paint and a clean toothbrush. Do not use your toothbrush that you use, seriously. Make sure that you get a pack of toothbrushes for cake decorating. Anywho, you're going to pour the paint into the toothbrush and pull back the bristles to create a small splatter. In the next clip, I'll show you how I do my bigger splatters. So to create the bigger splatters, you're going to punch or tap the toothbrush as I'm doing here. So for my next set of strawberries, you're going to pour some chocolate into a piping bag. Make sure it's a little runny because you don't want it to dry so fast, and you're going to drizzle it over your chocolate. The reason why I said to make sure that it's a little runny, because since the drizzles are really thin, it dries really fast, and you want to make sure that it's wet enough so that when you pour on your sugar pearls, as I'm doing that here, they'll actually adhere to the strawberry. I love how they came out. You can basically add anything to chocolate covered strawberries as long as it's edible. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.